Michelle. Thanks for joining me today. It's time to open day number 11 of our Advent calendar for 2025. Let's head down to the table and let's see what we've got today. All right, it's time to open up day number 11. Oh, fun. It's another pack of card bases. This time they're polka dots. So we've got, I'm going to flip the back one over. I always flip that one over so you can see something nice in the front and the back. We've got a green, orange, kind of a tealy blue, light aqua I would say, a peach, the darker coral, just like a minty green, a yellow, and a pink. So we've got 8 more card bases for you, this time in lovely little tiny polka dots. It matches all of the plaid papers that we got in day 1, so you can mix and match and make some great cards or other projects with them. Thank you so much for joining me to open day number 11 of our Advent calendar for 2025. I hope you're enjoying each and every night that we open it, and we'll be creative again soon and make another card. But until then, keep living the creative life, and see you tomorrow.